Oh, it's starting to rain now. This is going to make chasing it a little bit harder, but we are onto the back nine now. Level par after doubling a couple bogeys. But, you know, we keep going. 10th hole, 370. 3-wood up to the corner. Oh, I'm going to have a longer shot in, but no draw. Just on the right side of the fairway there.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I'll go. Right, absolutely lashing it down. 154, I'm going to hit 8 iron here. And then we're going to run undercover. Perfect UK weather as normal. Here we go. Should be good. Should be good. Ugh. Right everyone, you won't see it on the camera, but we were just stood by a tree for about 10 minutes and then by the edge of the pathway for 10 minutes because it absolutely lashed it down. But we have now got this for the birdie, climbing through the ocean. Ah, it's virtually impossible now. Oh, I've hit that so hard and walked away with 5. It's unlucky. It's unlucky. Right, that's fine. Right, we're on. Right, everyone, we've had to abandon the chaser red due to course conditions. It'd still be funny if we could shoot under par, but the idea has now gone into a break 75. So, as you can see on that last putt, I was going through the ocean, and we're still going. So this is the average UK experience. Driver here on the 11th now. Perfect. Oh, big splash of water. Massive splash of water. Mother Nature, stop raining. Right, the rain glove is out, everyone. Welcome to fine UK golf. Bit different to the Americans where they get nice glorious sunshine. 115 yards pitching wedge, no margin for error. Come on then. I would say that was pretty good. I've just watched my playing partner, D Green, the putt. This is the epitome of UK golf. One hole of pure rain. We've now gone back into sunshine. And we've got a birdie putt. Oh, I've rammed it. Oh, that was bad as well. No! Oh, that was a tasty first putt. I got 5 foot for par now. All things are happening right now. Come on. Get in. Recovery. God, good 4. Please wait for Bell. There's no one in front of us. We're now on the 12th hole, par 5. Good par save on the last. The tee box is flooded, so sensible swing here is required. Got that one. Should be okay. I'll have a long way in. All right, we got extremely lucky. Didn't think there was a pond down there, but we got away with this. We're at 244 to the pin. YouTube rules. Got to go for it, really, haven't we? To be fair, and in a comp, I would still go for this. Right, 3 hybrid. Come on. 4! Wasteland area here. It's not very pretty, and it was not a good golf swing. So I think I shanked a hybrid. It's quite impressive, actually. We got 60 yards with a 54-degree wedge. Down. It's come off like a rocket. Bit long. Wow, everyone, I thought I was long, but apparently I nearly hold it. So that would have been a good 3, but somehow we've made a 4 after shanking a hybrid. Excellent work. Right, stop saying right, you muppet. We've made it to the 13th, par 3, 145 yards. We're back to level par after a interesting birdie. All right, I've got the 9-iron in hand. It is wet out here now. Good swing, Jack, that's all it needs. Good swing. Yeah, safely aboard. Safely aboard. Fingers crossed. All right, we stuck it to about 20 foot here. Let's see if we can roll in another one. Oh, it's a good putt. It's a safe 3 in the end. It's a good par. It's a good par. Oh, some dark clouds coming again. Uh-oh. Right, 14th hole. Come on. Stayed at level par. A little bit necky carry. Oh yes. Good Lord.
Where that's ended up.
I got 164 uphill into wind. I'm trying to get this in the bunker really, front right. 7-iron, come on. God, nearly fell over. Just short, innit? Yeah. We have pulled an okay lie here, I think. Got like 20 yards to the, just a pin. All right, 54 degree. Really got to try and get up and down now. Come on. Good fat. Oh no. We fatted it. It's okay though. There's a few wet holes. Huh? Ah. I tried being too cute with the chip and now we've got 20 foot for par. It's not looking good to chase the red slash break 75. Wow, it's looking good for break 75. That's all that matters. Release. No. Oh. It's a bogey. To be fair, it was a bogey after the tee shot. It was a good recovery. Bad chip and a good putt. Makes a 5. Back to 1. Uh-oh. Right. 15th hole. 15th hole at boundary. We're back to 1 over, which is not good, but it's good for the break 75 now. So 180, 6-iron. Wind's off the left, I think. So I'm straight at this one, I think. Oh, what a strike! Well, that's gone left. Chip of the putt, I think. Right, about to take a movement due to water. No nearer. I would tell you about my shot, but we're using a little hybrid to get through this collar and then hopefully go in the hole. So we'll see. Yep. Very nice. Very good, very nice. All right. After a little hybrid, we've just knocked it up to 3 foot, 3-4 foot. Inside right. It's an easy 3 after the tee shot. Oh, beautiful British Weber again we have. Oh yes. Right, 16th. It's drivable, but you've seen my driving today. It's been atrocious. So a little 6-iron nudge down there. Oh, we actually hit a fade and a nice strike. Perfect. Woohoo! Right, 116 yards. This is extremely muddy here. We'll make sure we get ball first here. Gap wedge in hand, everyone. Wow, caught ball first. So sorry. I apologise, but we're on the green. No, leave the pin in. Right, I couldn't have missed in probably the hardest spot on this green. I've just got to trickle it down there, I think. Get it to that ridge. I'll take that. Yeah, usual. A little clean up now. It's a good 4 in the end. It's a good 4. Right, 17th hole. 2 away. Par 5, 3 wood in hand again. Black and white marker, soft draw. That's the shot we're trying to achieve. Snap hook, sit. Oh God. Bye bye. Yep. That was trying to feel like it fade. Right, provisional, 3 off the tee. Perfect, just what we need. Alright! Just in case, because there's another hole there. That'll be okay. Provisional found on the other fairway. So, just laying up with a 7-iron. I have no idea what that is. Should be okay. Should be okay there. Right, bit closer to the trees than intended. 115 yards to the pin. I've got a little 50 now. Up and down for a bogey would be huge. Oh, I've gone left again. Should be putting. Got the case of a left at the moment, unfortunate. Right, this for the bogey then, everyone. I have made this hole look incredibly difficult. I think it's going to go right at the hole. Come back left. Uh-oh. Now we're scrambling for the double. I'm 1 over, the par's 71, so that puts me at 72 but we're going to make a double here, so that puts me at 73. If we make triple, this might put me to 74 on the break 75 episode. Big putt. This is a huge putt. Must make. Well, it's a triple. It's a triple. Oh well. Oh well. Right, everyone, final hole. Stop saying right, everyone. Final hole. After the wonderful triple, we are on the cusp of 75 now. So par 75, birdie 74, or a bogey 76. This is important now. 155, 8-iron, straight down it. Save the best tee shot till last. There we go. Safely aboard. Right, big opportunity. Really big opportunity to break 75 after that last hole. Didn't think I was going to. 1 birdie, 74, par 75, and a 3 putt is 76. So, if you guys have enjoyed it, make sure you leave me a like and subscribe for me, helps me out. Let's see if we can make one final birdie. Shoot 74. Oh yes, good, good. There we go. We broke 75. Finish with a birdie. Hallelujah.